This Virginia Country Real Estate Incorporated property video is presented by Frank Wingfield. Wonderful creekfront setting. Protected harbor, tranquil views, and formal. Pier 5 years old. Just under 5 acres of landscaped yard for your privacy and enjoyment. Custom-built brick ranch features open floor plan, waterside screened porch, exceptional sunroom, formal dining room, custom kitchen opens to family room, screened porch, and casual dining. Master suite on waterside. 3 additional guest rooms. 2 fireplaces, hardwood floors throughout, 9 ceilings, whole house generator, water softener, central vacuum system, and security system. Features utility/mudroom with washer, dryer, laundry sink, and full bath. Walk-up attic full length of house for storage or expandable space. For more information